Setpoint U. Inform, educate, empower.
Welcome to another Tips and Tricks. Do you know how to adjust your column display? The advantage of adding or deleting columns allows you to see the relevant information on your screen. You can even toggle the column on and off if you need to temporarily see system data. In IntelliWeb, you'll notice there's a settings button on the top right corner. If we click that button and then click Add Property Column, a new dialog window pops up. You'll notice that it lists objects types first. This is asking us what information we want to see in our columns. For example, do we want this to apply to all objects or just specific objects? Let's select Analog Inputs instead of all. And in this property dropdown, we can select Calibration. Now let's click OK to save these values. You'll notice now that the calibration values are displayed for each object. If we no longer need this information, we can click on the column and then click Remove Column. Now you can see that the information is no longer available. Let's go back to Settings, select Add Column again, choose Analog Input as we did before, and then select Calibration for the property type. You can now see that the value shows up on our screen in the calibration column. You can sort all the objects by any information you'd like to see by using this method. This concludes our tips and tricks for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and comment on new topics you'd like to see. For information regarding on-site training, contact your Setpoint account manager.